Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make your Brave browser fast and efficient. Now in order to do that, you have to click on these three lines on top right corner. Now click on this and you have to go on settings. Now click on search bar and type cache data. Only write cache. Now after that click on delete browsing data and select all time and click on delete data. Now the second way is after deleting the data, you have to type on the search bar system. Scroll down to the bottom and off this. Continue running background apps when Brave is closed. Off this. Use graphics acceleration when available. Off this. And on this memory saver. Now the third way is delete useless extensions which you don't need. Now in order to do that, you have to go on these three lines on the top right corner, click on this and you have to go on extensions. Here you can see, click on extensions and use and delete the useless extensions which you don't need. Click on remove and click on remove. Now the extension is removed. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please consider a like and subscribe. This helps our channel a lot.